Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is analogy numbers. This is lecture and some examples also we are going to see to make the concept clear. तो इस टॉपिक में मतलब जो नंबर्स का टॉपिक है इन एनालॉजी. Previous video we have seen analogy in figures, okay, even analogy in words also. Now analogy means what exactly? The group is there and the relation between that group or that pair, the same relations we have to apply for the next pair or the next group, okay. And as per this one, the question or the terms which are we have to find out, that term we have to choose from the given options or given alternatives, okay. So under this subtopics, the questions include three figures, okay. So find out the two numbers may be related to one of the following ways. The second number is twice the numbers, okay, or we can say the greater or lesser by the certain differences, or we can say the square or cube of the first number, or we can say half or one third of the first. Means there is just something mathematical relations, okay. So that relations we have to find out, and as per this one, the second terms, or we can say the in a second group or second pair, the second terms where the question mark is given, that terms we have to choose from the options. So there are the important tips are there. Find out the similar relations between the third number and the number in options, okay. Here third number is mentioning, means what is the second terms we can say, okay. So find out the relations. The students should know odd, even numbers, prime number, composite numbers, and even 1 to 100, all the numbers and their relations, okay. Already we have seen in mathematics these things. So please students understand this, all the numerology, or we can say the mathematical relations. For this one, IT means this intelligent test and the mathematics. Both these subjects are somewhat be correlated. Okay, the student should know the squares numbers up to 25. So up to the 25 means 1 to 25, or we can say up to the 30 also. The squares numbers must be know, or even the cube number up to the 10 must be know. Okay, the student must be able to find out the mathematical relationship between the numbers having two or more digits. Okay, questions can be asked having some other relations between the numbers also. Means there is a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or we can say the square number, cube numbers. So that is a relations, or we can say the digits, place, values, they're interchanging somewhat way. So that relations we have to find out, okay. And as per this one, the terms which are we are in asking in a question, that has to find out, and the correct terms from the alternatives or the from the options we have to choose, okay. So this is the main we can say the pathway or the guidelines for the solving the questions. Now we are going to see the some questions. There are the question 1 to 15 and the common directions are there. In each of the following questions, the first and the second number hold the specific relations. This first and the second numbers means these are the terms we can say. Means here suppose these are the two terms, okay, one term and two terms, so both are in one group or one pair, okay. And these relations we have to apply for the next one, okay. So these two different groups or different pairs are having some common relations, so that's why these symbolic forms we are seeing, okay. So same we have seen in words and figure also. Now here question marks means these terms we have to find out. On the basis of these relations, same relations we have to apply with this number, or we can say these terms, okay. So this is the very easy part, but for this one, the mathematicals relations, mathematicals operations must be known. The same relations holds to the third number and the fourth number. Third means this third number, or we can say the term also, okay. So this third number and the fourth number, okay. Select the correct alternatives to replace the question mark. To replace this question mark, we have to choose the correct alternatives or the options. Now we are going to see the questions. Question number 1 is there. 25 as 7, 147 to question mark. So if we are adding this 2 and 5 means separate digit, we will get the additions of the 7, okay. 2 plus 5 7. So same we will apply here. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is a 5, 5 plus 7 is a 12. 12 is given in option number 3. Now question number 2, 3 5 then 19 and then question mark. So 3 to 5, here the additions of the 2 If we are making the different relations, but from the options we could not be find out, because after the 3, after additions of the 2, there is a prime number comes, but after additions of the 2 in 19, 21 is not a prime number. So that relations we cannot be hold, but only additions of these two, this relation we can hold. Okay, so these additions of the 2 and we will hold here also, means 19 plus 2, 21, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 3, 24, 42. Now here 2 and 4, these two digits are interchanging with their places, means now here unit place and here tens. So now 4 will comes here and 2 will comes here, means 42 comes here like this one. So same we will apply here. So 57 will comes 75. 75 is given in option number 2. Now question number 4, 48, 24, 62, then question mark. 48 half if we are making, then we will get the 24, means or we can say divided by 2. So same divided by 2 we will apply here also. So 62 divided by 2 means 31. So option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 5, 3, 9, 5 and then question mark. Now 3 square is a 9. Okay, so 5 square is a 25. So option number 3 is correct one. Question number 6, 4781 as to 40, then 5372, then question mark. If you add all the digits, you will get the additions is equals to 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 4 20, and multiply by this 2 is get to the 40, means additions of the digit multiply by 2. So here 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15 plus 2 17, 17 multiply by 2, so we will get the 34. So 34 is given in option number 1. Question number 7, 3, 11, 8 and question mark. So 3 and 11, if you make the relations, so 3 square is equals to 9 plus 2 is 11. So like this one, 8 square is a 64 plus 2 means 66. So 66 is given in option number 3. Now question number 8, 7 then 49 then 9. So 7 square is there 49. So like this one, 9 square is a 81 and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 9, 6, 10, 7 question mark. So 6 multiply by 2 we are getting 12 and then minus 2 we are getting 6 multiply by 2 we are getting 12, 12 minus 2 we are getting 10. So like this one, 7 multiply by 2 14, 14 minus 2 we are getting 12, 12 is given in option number 3. Now question number 10, 396 then 132 then 264 question mark. Now if we divide this number by 3 we will get this number, means 3 ones are 3 threes are and 3 twos are. So same we will divide this number by 3. So 3 8s are 24, 2 balance and then again 24 means 3 8s are. So there is a 88. 88 is given in option number 1. Now question number 11, 486 then 252, 864. The relations is here minus 2 we are getting this number means 2, means in a same place value, means 100 place value minus 2. Okay, then tens value minus 3 we are getting 5 here, then 6 minus 4, then we are getting this none, means unit place, tens place, and then 100 place, 100 place, all the digits we are getting something subtraction, but that is a sequentially, means minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So same we will apply here. So 8 minus 2 6, then 6 minus 3 is a 3, then 4 minus 4 is a 0, means 630. So this is given in option number 2. Then question number 12, 5 125 then 9 and question mark. So 5's cube is 125, likewise 9's cube is means 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, it's 81 multiplied by 9, we are getting 729. So this is given in option number 2. Question number 13, 5 14 then 7 and question mark. If we multiply by this 5 with the 3, we are getting the 15, and then minus 1, we are getting the 14. Okay, so likewise 7 multiplied by 3, we are getting 21, and then minus 1 is equals to 20. So 20 means option number 3 is correct one. Now question number 14, 84, then 64, 93, and then question mark. So here 84 means 8 minus 4, the digits subtraction if we are doing. So 8 minus 4, 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 means 4's cube. Okay, cube number is 64. Likewise 6 minus 3, sorry, 9 minus 3, 6, and 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 means 6 cube is a 216, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 15, 234, 464, then 1357, and then question mark. We will make the relations in between this one. So 2 plus 2, we are getting 4 means for the 100 place values. Then 3 plus 3, we are getting this number. Means sequentially 2, 3, 4 is adding. Here 4 is additions. Okay, so then we are getting the 8. So same here, 2 is we have to add. Okay, so we are getting here 1 plus 2, 3. Then here 3 plus 3 we have to add, so we are getting the 6 here. So 5, then we have to add the 4 means 9 here. 7 plus 5 we have to add means 7 plus 5 is a 12. So now here 36,912. So this is given in option number 1. Thank you.